So I'm going to be showing you how to get into Fastboot mode on your Google Pixel Watch 2. And then once we've gone to Fastboot, I'll show you how you can factory reset your Google Pixel Watch 2 just in case you're either locked out and forgotten the password or you're having issues with your device. So firstly, when you want to get into Fastboot, you have to press the crown in, and then as soon as you see the G logo on the screen, double tap the top corner and bottom corner. So let's give it a try. Now we're in Fastboot. Now when you're in Fastboot, you can only navigate using the side buttons, so top button and crown button. It won't work with screen touching or with twisting the crown. So top one navigates down and crown selects. So let's give it a try. Now we want to go to recovery mode. Now this is how you do the factory reset. You have to be ready because once this comes up with no command, you have to immediately press the crown in and then swipe up. And as you see, now we're in the factory reset. Also, you've got the other system settings that you can change if you need to. There's more if you scroll past here, so let's have a look for factory reset. There you go, wipe data factory reset. You got to hold your crown in and press it, and then navigate with the top button down and factory reset again. So as you see, that's now formatting the unit. And once that's all complete, you can then just go reboot system now, and it will reboot as the device is all wiped. We'll go into power off, and that's all turned off.